Hello everyone, myself Ritu. I recently qualified the UGC NET-JRF exam in June 2023 with a score of 200 and got selected for the PhD program in IIT ISM Dhanbad. I would like to express my thankfulness to my mentor Gaurav sir for his continuous support and guidance, whose motivation shaped me as I am forever grateful. I would also thank to Sumit sir who taught us paper 1 in a very concise and a precise manner. I joined the A.S.S Foundation in last year August 2022. Firstly, I qualified the UGC NET exam in December 2022. After that, I qualified the UGC NET-JRF exam in June 2023. If you do studies regularly and do hard work according to the sir, you can achieve your target as soon as earlier. If I talk about the course material designed by the Gaurav sir, it consists of our 4 booklets, assignment, previous year papers and a test series. The course material designed by the Gaurav sir for the UGC NET Environmental Sciences is according to the paper and in a very concise, precise and the comprehensive manner that you don't require any other material to crack this exam. If I talk about the classes that we have the facilities of both online and the offline classes in a same fee structure. I think this facilities is not given by any other institute right now in India. All the live classes and course materials are available in the Google Classroom for our revision purpose. The best thing is that all the faculty members are available for 24 into 7 and you can reach them directly. Lastly, I want to say that I saw many teachers in my life, but the real sense of teacher is reflected by Gaurav sir. I would like to thank you, sir, for being an exceptional teacher in my life who made a difference in my life. Thank you, sir.